Hey guys, welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to check the browsing history in Google Chrome Incognito mode. And to do so, it's very easy, so let's get straight into it. Now, what you have to know first is that you can't directly access the browsing history from Google Chrome. You will have to go through a different route. So if you go here in the three dots and then just go to history, you won't find it in the incognito mode, right? And that's the whole point of incognito. But what you may not know is that your internet connection or your router keeps track of whatever step you do on the internet connection. So if you visit a website, it will be noted that you visited a website. Let's say, for example, you visited Facebook. Then in your router's logs, which is basically a file where it keeps track of everything that happened in this network, then it will be noted that a particular device, for example, an iPhone 15, has visited Facebook on a given time at a given time. So yeah, that's what a log is in your router. So how to access it? You'll just need to find your IP, which is basically your internet connection address, and then put it in your URL bar. So I won't show it in the video for security purposes, and I don't advise you to give your IP address to anyone. So let's go to IP Finder here. If I go to IP Finder and Instant IP Address Lookup, it will give me my IP. Now, if I go to a new tab and just type the IP that it gave me, so I'm going to take a fake one, that's 192.168.0.1 or something like that. It doesn't really matter. It's just for the example. So if I click on it, you should have a dashboard for you, but I'm going to show you what a dashboard looks like. So AT&T, let's say the example of AT&T internet, internet logs. So if I go to the images here, then go to the first image, this is what it should look like. So if I go to this dashboard right here, if you see here, there is the home section and then the devices. And in the devices, you will find all the devices that have been connected to your internet network and whatever they did. So you just need to click on the device that you want to see, and then it will show you all of the logs or every website that it has visited. It's very easy to use, honestly. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.